Hello, and welcome to Go Inspire. Begin this meditation shortly after awakening. Let's start by finding a comfortable position that allows your body to relax. I would like to invite you to gently close your eyes and tune into your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in. Before you begin this day, give yourself permission to focus on yourself and your needs. Let yourself be guided by the sound of my voice, and as you really pay attention to each word, just let your body relax. Inhale fully through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Feel yourself drifting into a state of deep relaxation. The smoothing sound of each word is like a wave of relaxation that enters the top of your head and travels down your entire body. Your neck begins to feel relaxed. Your jaw let go of any tension, as well as your eyes and forehead. As you continue to take deep, full breath, the rest of your body relaxes now. Your shoulders, your arms, chest, and now your tummy. Your hips, and your back. Your hands relax, and even each finger, one by one. The relaxation now continues its journey down to your legs. Into your ankles. Down to your feet. And into each and every toe. Breathe in, breathe out. Become aware of how your body feels. Turn your attention inward and just observe the state of your body. Feel the gentle movements your body makes as the air moves with each breath. Now, draw your attention to your chest. Witness the heart opening and softening as you take deep full breaths. On each inhalation, the chest expands, and on each exhalation, it softens, freeing up any tense energy that may be lingering. The heart is the center of our being. It represents love, balance, harmony, and wholeness. Continue to breathe through your heart space. Seeing if you can connect with what this space represents to you. When we operate in the world from the heart of who we are, we feel a great sense of alignment with everything around us. Now, I want you to take a few minutes to visualize your day. Make this visualization as vivid as possible. What do you want to accomplish today? How do you want to feel? Allow your vision for this day to become clear. Now that you have visualized what you want, let it go and come back into your breath, confident that you will accomplish your goals and desires. Take another full inhale and exhale. Then, when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Sit for a few moments to acknowledge the unique experience you just had during this meditation. You are now ready to start your day. Know that this source of energy is always available to you, and that you can constantly come to a place of empowerment. Don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and to share this meditation with a loved one.